You're the first true love I've ever known. Go on and love you I do. And I'm not just saying that. If you never show me go on, you're not like other girls. When I never saw you, I was afraid to meet you. Be so open up, and there you were. I couldn't let you get me out. You look good, always running it on. People say I'm cold, without you I'm hotter than the sun. On January 2nd, they celebrate my birthday with friends and family. It's not about me, it's about us. We look out for each other. No one else will do. You're the best friend I never had. Everything I say or do with your best interest in mind. You're the reason for my being, girl. Keeping you alive is keeping me alive. Everywhere I go, all I ever seem to hear is who is grown. Don't you know that you're a shooting star? Your name is written in stars in the sky. I knew your wings saw they shone me on your chest. You know like the number 12 on girl, how it chest. Isn't she the sexiest one you ever seen? Looks can be deceiving. You know the name. Look up the number. The number 12, baby, there's a reminder. And remembrance of my ancestors before me. When we thought I wouldn't be here today. So I never forget who I am or what I stand for. It's my birthday and I love it. All I want for my birthday are things money can't buy. Longevity and a lifetime of peace. Within a once to me. Put you in baby second person everything you do. Your birthday comes around once a year. You can change your name. You can never change who you are. Come on. You're the missing piece I need. You are the light of the world, the city set on the hilltop cannot be hidden. In you by myself. One day you'll have, one day you'll go. I still love you.